Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to make your own air freshener? Have you ever wanted to make your own pine saw cleaner? Well, stick around guys. We're going to show you how. Good enough.
Thank you. Like and subscribe. Good job.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to subscribe. Watch our video. Bye.
Febreze is one of my favorite smelling things to make it smell better in the house.
I farted.
So, have you ever wondered how to make it? Well, these bottles you buy are probably $5-6 a piece, but you can go to the $1.25 store and you can buy these things. Here are called a scent booster. They're what you throw in with your laundry, make it smell better. Well, you can get these at any store, Walmart, the $1.25 store, basically anywhere. And then you take a little baking soda, which you can also find at any store, the $1.25 store, Walmart, wherever you want to try to purchase it. And we're going to take these two ingredients and a thing of water and make one of these. So for what you can go to the $1.25 store and get one of each of these for like $2.50, you can make a bunch of these that you can buy for $5. So let's get started doing that. First thing I'll do is I'll take 1 cup of water, which I'm going to get, and I'm going to take it and boil it in the microwave. These bottles I ordered on Amazon, and I really like them, so I'm going to use these. Y'all can use any bottle. You can use an old Febreze bottle or whatever you prefer. But I like these, and we'll also leave a link to them. But you get 4 of them in a box, and then they also come with little labels if you want to label them, or if you want to make your own label. It's all-purpose bathroom cleaner, glass cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, stainless steel cleaner, tile cleaner, plant mist, stain remover, disinfectant, or water. So you can use them, or you can make your own, whatever you prefer. Here are the little tops that come with them. Okay, I've went and got my water out of the microwave where I boiled it. I'm going to take a jar and basically pour my hot water in it. And I'm going to take 4 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of baking. And then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the air freshener. Pause. I'm going to take it, make sure my lid is really tight, and shake it. Until it dissolves together. And once it's done, I take it. And this is a bottle I already have that I have already made. But I take it and I put it in my spray bottle, which I'm going to do that over the sink. That way I don't make a mess. Okay, these little sprayers come with these bottles when you order them on Amazon. And you just turn them on there. But like I said, you can use any bottle that you prefer. But again, these are little scent boosters. You can buy them at any store. And you just throw them in your laundry and make it smell better. But so we take The ingredients again is the little scent boosters, the baking soda, and a glass of water, boiling water preferably, because the hotter the water, to make it dissolve when you shake it. But I think that this smells twice as good as the regular that you buy for $5-6. And like I said, you can buy the ingredients and make 5-6 times as much of this. So I'm going to spray it around and show everybody what I do with it. But I love the smell of it. I like to take it and just spray it on the couch. And hit the curtains a little bit with it. And you can spray it on your bedding or whatever you like.
Alrighty guys, that's exactly how we make our own version of the Febreze. This stuff right here smells amazing. It actually really is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we make our own version of our own cleaner, our own pine sol. It smells like pine and just as good as this.
Okay guys, in order to get that real pine sol smell, you have to use the real pine needles. Okay guys, this should be enough to do what we're doing. So we're going to go back into the house and show you what I do next. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start putting my pine needles in my jar. And yes, it is a little messy. And then I take vinegar and pour in it, and I fill it all the way to the bottom of the brim. And I take it, I put the lid on, and you basically let it sit and ferment for 3 weeks before you have your pine sol. And then I have a couple jars here that have been fermenting for 3 weeks. Okay, this is the jar that we just did, and these are a couple that I have been fermenting for 3 weeks now. As you can see, there's a color difference in them. You can tell where they've been sitting. And I'm going to take, this is a little funnel that come with our jars. I'm going to take one of the jars that I have, and I'm going to take and open one of these. Okay, if you like the smell of pine, this has a really, really pine smell. So if you like the smell of pine, you'll really like this. These are the little strainers that we order on Amazon, and we'll leave a link to that as well. Just take it and put it on here and tighten it up. That way you don't get your pine needles in your jars. And take it. Okay, and here is our new pine sol that we just made. And the good thing about this is you can also take and reuse these pine needles, I'd say 3 or 4 different times, and just pour more vinegar in and let it ferment for, like I said, up to 3 to 4 weeks. I usually do about 3 weeks, and before I use it, and then you just take it and put it back and start your process over again. So, and then take your lids and tighten it on, and you can use it for, you know, cleaning your refrigerator, cleaning your bars, wiping your bars down, making them smell better, cleaning your your chairs, your bathroom, anything you want. Or you can even take it and put it in your mop bucket and mop with it. And this gives it the piney smell, which I love the pine smell in our house, especially around the holidays. You got the tree, you got, you know, all these different pine smells.
Alrighty guys, that's just a couple examples of some of the cleaning stuff that we make on our own to save money. As I said before in many videos, we are preppers and we do like to save money and spend it where we need to spend it. So basically, this is our version of the Febreze, which to me smells twice as good as this. And this is our version of the Pine Sol. This stuff smells really, really good. If you like a real strong pine scent, which a lot of people do when they're cleaning and mopping with the Pine Sol, that's the reason they use the Pine Sol, you'll absolutely love this stuff right here. And this stuff really, really cleans and gets the job done, guys. So if you haven't done so yet, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll try to get more of these videos out to you. We got tons of ideas and stuff, and I hope you found this useful. If you did, give us that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we will catch you on the next one.
Like, subscribe, watch our videos. Bye.